Hey, this is Ralph back with another video. In this one, I'm going to talk about why most side hustles fail and why yours won't if you get into it with the right attitude. And when I first got started in online business, thinking about building my home-based business around an online template that somebody else had created and seeing if I could duplicate it, I began to do some research into how many online businesses fail and how long it takes the average online business to fail. And quite frankly, I was mortified to find out that the vast majority of online businesses fail within their first few weeks. And when I discovered that statistic, I began to question, do I really want to get into this online business thing? Or do I want to keep my home-based business grounded in the brick and mortar world and just provide services to the people in my local community like I had been doing? But the more I began to think about online business and how great it would be to be able to make money without getting out of the house and sweating under the hot sun and being able to earn money just sitting behind my laptop computer, I began to think, okay, this is something I want to take a chance on, and I am going to make it work no matter what. And I discovered over time that that is exactly the attitude that you have to have if you don't want your online business, your side hustle to fail, is that you need to get the attitude that I'm going to make this work no matter what. Because what I've found in my own experience, being in the online world now for, about 10 years, something like that. I've been in home-based business for 14 years, building different businesses and online. I've been doing that for over 10 years now. And what I've discovered is why most businesses will fail is because people just give up. They think, I want to see if I can make money at this, and I'll give it a week, and if nothing sticks, I'm out of here. And they'll bounce around from one opportunity to another opportunity. And I've seen people join businesses, oftentimes free businesses, no investment. They'll join those free businesses and then not even look into their back office, not even answer the introductory email saying, hey, welcome to your new business. Here's what you need to know in order to get started. They won't touch the darn thing. And if you don't work your business, there's no way that you're going to get your business to work for you. And the reason why so many online businesses and side hustles will fail is because most people just give up. So many people will give it 7 days and then quit. Others will give it 30 days and then quit. Other people will give it 2 months, 3 months. Some might even give it 6 months and then quit. And in online business, in any kind of business or side hustle that you're thinking about getting started, there is a learning curve that you need to be aware of. It's something new if you've never done it before. It's something new that you're going to have to learn. There are skill sets that you're going to have to learn in order to do well in the business. And you've got to take the time to learn and then practice those new skills. Learn, practice, repeat the process. And a lot of people will get stuck because they don't want to learn. Or they'll get stuck because they recognize I'm going to have to learn some new skills. So they practice learning those new skills, but they never put those skills into actual practice. They get stuck in the learning phase. And if you get stuck in that attitude of, I don't want to learn, then you're not going to grow. And if you get stuck in the learning phase, where all you want to do is learn, but not do anything, never translate that knowledge into action, then you're not going to win either. All you're going to do is fail. But if you get into the proper mindset, first of all, that I'm going to make this business work no matter what. And then, second of all, recognize that there is a learning curve. I am going to learn and then do. Learn, do, learn, do. Then eventually you will hit your stride and you will start building a business that will work for you because you spent the time working for it. So, yes, if you want to build a side hustle that won't fail, if you want to build a home based business that won't fail on you, then the first lesson you've got to learn is to have a long term attitude. Be in it for the long haul. This isn't something that you're just going to be doing for 7 days or a couple of months and expect it to be working for you. No, you need to take time to learn it. You need to take time to grow it. You need to take time to grow yourself. And once you grow yourself and start growing your business at the same time, that's when the magic will start to happen and things will start to take off. So if you want to build either a side hustle or a home-based business, online business that won't fail, start with your attitude. Start with that attitude that I'm going to make this work no matter what, and I'm going to learn and get better in order to make my business grow and get better. And then you will have a business that you can grow with confidence. Now, if you want to take a look at what I do by way of online business, go to my main website, which is www.ralphshomebiz.com, and check out the business that I use. It's a home-based business academy which teaches you how to do online marketing. They have courses and masterminds that are taught by professionals, and they pay 80% recurring commissions. So you can put time into growing yourself and be growing a business that pays 80% recurring commissions at the same time. I mean, it's a great opportunity. I wish I had joined it sooner. Check out my link, see if it works for you. Ralph signing out. Have a great day. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.